back for another edition of No Edits Crypto, episode 387, coming to you today, Friday, a little before 5 p.m. EST. Jam-packed with news today and the market update. So first off, we will start with the CFTC's Fintech chief. He's leaving the agency. It's from Daniel Kuhn, CoinDesk. The director of the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, Experimental Fintech Initiative, will step down. According to a statement released Friday, Lab CFTC's Director and Chief Innovation Officer, Daniel Gorfine, will leave his post to pursue a job in the private sector. Good for him. In his 2 years with the agency, Gorfine spearheaded the Lab CFTC project, released educational materials on virtual currencies, and launched an accelerator program to trial internal blockchain applications. Second story today is Litecoin that Litecoin halving is coming soon. What's happening? What you should know. The rule embedded within Litecoin's code is set to soon reduce rewards for miners who today ensure transaction processing on the world's fourth largest blockchain by total value. In approximately 5 days, Litecoin will undergo a scheduled reward halving, a process aimed at preserving cryptocurrency's purchasing power. The mining reward is currently set at 25 Litecoins, 2,500 per block, and will drop to 12.5 Litecoins, 1,200 per block on August 5th. With that transition, the protocol will be adding significantly fewer Litecoins to the market after August 5th. The halving, therefore, sounds similar to the interest rate hikes and other measures initiated by central banks across the globe when combating high inflation, so investors may feel tempted to snap up Litecoins while heading into the event. Litecoin doubled in the value in the first quarter. Litecoin, which traded at $30 on January 1st, ended the first quarter at $61, representing a 100% gain. That was Litecoin's best first quarter on record for performance, as reported by CoinDesk on March 31st. More importantly, the cryptocurrency eked out stellar gains in the first 3 months of this year, despite the flat action in Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency. Essentially, Litecoin broke into a bull market well before Bitcoin confirmed a bearish to bullish trend, with a big move above key resistance, $4,236 on April 2nd. Prices went on to hit highs above $140 in June before falling back to $80 earlier this month. So Litecoin halving coming up here in a matter of hours. BitPay suspends services in Germany for the time being. Citizens of Germany will no longer be able to use BitPay after the payments processor pulled its service on the heels of BaFin regulations set to go live on January 1st, 2020. On Thursday, cryptocurrency payments processor BitPay updated a post detailing which countries the company operates in. The "Why can't I use BitPay services in my country" blog post was amended to "Currently, BitPay cannot service merchants or users that are based in the following countries: Algeria, Bangladesh, Bolivia, Cambodia, Ecuador, Egypt, Germany, Indonesia, Iraq, Kyrgyzstan, Morocco, Nepal, and Vietnam." BitPay PR representative John Jahowski said that pending regulation that will become active in 2020 stands as the primary reason why the company decided to stop offering services in Germany. Jahowski also said that BitPay is hoping to add support for Germany in the future, as Germany has publicly stated that they want cryptocurrency companies to apply for a license starting in 2020. We have paused operations in Germany while we evaluate the need for German licenses. That is from the Bitcoinist and Eustace Cryptus. Fourth story today is EpicCash mainnet has been pushed back due to the community's desire for a Windows miner. So that will be the new date will be released here shortly, and I will make sure to keep you guys up to date on that. But there's no sense in launching when there's still things that are being desired, and we want to make sure we get everything set up for the base that wants to be the earliest adopters in EpicCash. Into the market. Bitcoin up 1.64% for the day, $10,445. Ethereum down 0.07%, 218.80. Litecoin down 5.89%, $94.74. Bitcoin Cash down 0.58%, $325.26. EOS down 2.84%, $4.20. Dash down 2.39%, $106.74. Link up 11.26%, $2.35. Neo down 0.11%, $11.67. Ethereum Classic down 1.5%, $5.88. To Steam, which is currently at 23 cents. And to the aggregate market cap, which has almost got back up to 300 billion. It's at 238,524,300,000 right now. And Bitcoin dominance has risen all the way to 65.78%. So it looks like it's going to top out top 66% here in the next day or two if this trend continues. It really is a Bitcoin market right now. The alts, there's a handful that have performed well this year so far. Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash being two of those. Link also having a pretty monster year. But the majority have really fallen off in comparison to Bitcoin. So we'll have to see what EpicCash does when we launch and how well it does. I think it's going to be has astronomical potential. But a lot of the alts have lost valuation in comparison in BTC pairs. That is all for today. Everyone have a good Friday evening. Enjoy your weekend, and I will try to bring you guys another update this weekend. There will definitely be an article or two coming out here in the next 24 hours for EpicCash. So everyone enjoy your weekend.